Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best circuit kit for kids, the Snap Circuits Jr. SC-100 Electronics Exploration Kit. If you're a parent, teacher, or even a curious adult looking for a way to introduce kids to the fascinating world of electronics, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's start with what makes this kit truly special. Snap Circuits Jr. SC-100 is made by L&Co, a brand well-known for its STEM-focused educational products. This kit is designed for kids ages 8 and up, and it's not just a toy, it's a gateway into the fundamentals of electrical engineering. With over 100 projects packed into a single box, this isn't a one-and-done kind of kit. It's something that can grow with your child as their curiosity and skills develop. When you first open the box, you're greeted with 28 modular pieces that snap together easily. No tools, no soldering, no mess. Everything from resistors to capacitors to switches is included, and each piece is clearly marked and color-coded. These parts snap onto a plastic grid, almost like Lego for electronics. The simplicity of the design removes the intimidation factor, making it extremely accessible for first-timers. Now, let's talk about the projects. These aren't throwaway activities. You'll start with simple circuits like turning on a light or sounding a buzzer. But as you go through the full color manual, you'll gradually build up to more complex projects like a flying saucer that actually takes off or an alarm system that goes off when the circuit is triggered. Each project is a little lesson in how electricity works, but it feels like play, not homework. What makes the learning even more engaging is the instant feedback. Kids can see, hear, and even feel the results of their builds. Did the fan spin? Did the light turn on? Did the music play? If not, they can troubleshoot on their own or with guidance. Learning valuable problem-solving skills along the way. This kind of hands-on experimentation helps solidify concepts that would otherwise be abstract in a textbook. Beyond just the fun and education, there's an important confidence-building element here. When a child finishes a working circuit, they don't just feel like they completed a craft, they feel like an inventor. That's a powerful feeling, and it can set the stage for a lifelong interest in science, technology, and engineering. The Snap Circuits Jr. kit is also compatible with other Snap Circuits sets, so when your child is ready for a challenge, you can expand their learning with more advanced kits. This means the investment doesn't end with this one box. It's scalable, modular, and long-lasting. In terms of value, you're looking at an award-winning kit that's been recognized by some of the most reputable organizations in education and parenting. It's featured in Good Housekeeping's Best Toys list, the Dr. Toy list of best educational products, and Purdue University's Engineering Gift Guide. That kind of recognition doesn't come easily, it means the kit delivers real results. And for parents concerned about safety, rest easy. The kit is designed with child-friendly materials and includes comprehensive safety information. Plus, the lack of soldering or exposed wires makes it one of the safest ways to explore real electronics at home. To sum it up, Snap Circuits Jr. SC-100 is more than just a toy. It's a fun, interactive way to introduce kids to the real-world applications of science and engineering. It encourages independent thinking, creativity, and critical problem-solving, all while having a blast. So whether you're looking for a gift that educates, entertains, and inspires, or simply want to see your child's face light up, literally and figuratively, this kit is a clear winner. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if there's another educational product you'd like us to explore. See you in the next one.